Let's start. Hello, my name is Anna, and today I'm going to talk about the digital transformation and emerging trends, comparison between construction and finance, and I will talk about two companies. Let's go to our agenda. So first, I will introduce the digital transformation and what is and who uses, why we are using this. And let's talk about a little bit the companies that I choose for this work, that is Clearco and Bridge, and their strategic analysis for digital transformation and impacts. Let's also see their SWOT analysis, some recommendations, a conclusion, and a little reflection. So let's start with this question. So just think about, and in a world where technology evolves faster than ever, businesses that fail to adapt to risk becoming obsolete. But how do companies outside the tech industry successfully think about? And what is digital transformation? So digital transformation is basically something that is manual and we can transform into digital. So very simple, right? And companies use this to deliver value to clients and to become operationally efficient. It's used to transform people, process, and technology. Why these companies and like all companies, small, medium, and big companies are using digital transformation? So basically, it's to enhance business efficiency, improve decision making, and improve customers' experience. Here we have um, the um, the brand Clearco, Bridget. So Clearco, it's a fintech company that transforms foundings, infrastructures in e-commerce business. And Bridget, it's in a construction management software company. And here, they are strategic analysis. So Clearco chooses to use AI systems and machine learning, and Bridge to use SaaS, which is a software as a service that is a cloud and computer service. So both of the companies rely on data as a core asset in digital platforms and are central to their value proposition. Some impacts and consequences about using digital transformation. So investments and costs, because the initial implementation and training are very high. So these costs to the company. The resistance to change, it's always a difficulty in team adaptation because many people just be comfortable what they use and they don't want to change. So there's the resistance for this. And some skill gaps, it's about need for qualified professionals. The security and privacy, because as we see many years ago, and it's very complicated because there are the risks of cyber attacks and data protection. Also, the change management, it's some consequence because affect planning and communication is very crucial for this business and digital transformation. Here, let's see the SWOT analysis. So basically, what is in here? It's something that we can mix with Bridget and Clearco because a little bit different. So let's see the strengths for Clearco. It's expedition and findings based on data and AI, and the custom solution. The customer solutions goes to both of companies. So they automatize the sales marketing. For Clearco specifically, the credit checks is a strength, the scalability of the business, and it's focused on underserved small and medium companies. And for Bridget, the strength is it's because they focused on medium and large companies and the addition of AI for scheduling and the predictive analysis of this company. The weakness for the companies and for this kind of business, it's about robotizing. So it's very difficult to when you um, just use the robots because, for example, for clerical, it's difficult to and lack established brand recognition, and it's difficult because they don't have the manager, the physical manager, to help you in decision making to lend money. And also the weakness for Bridget, it's about manual data entry. Um, let's see now the opportunities for both companies. So it's expansion, and specifically for Bridget, the rising need of predictive workforce analytics offer opportunities for new features and upgrades. Um, the threats now, so it's about the competition, it's about economic slowdowns, cybersecurity for both. But for specifically for clerical, some threats it's about governmental and political regarding the use of AI in lending money. The cybersecurity, again, data privacy violation, and for Bridget, it's indirect supply chain issues that impacted technical investments priorities. And now here some recommendations. Um, it's about long-term vision that is with hardware functionality and relevance in the digital marketplace. The strategized tech investments, the culture of changes to promote adaptability and invention, the AI-driven solutions that can simplify customer service to meet evolving demands in real time. So now let's just conclude this presentation. Companies must to adapt the use of advanced technologies and be open-minded to adapt to new roles inside the companies and anticipate challenges. So here the conclusion is all about the new advanced technologies that are coming, the cultural organization for adaptations, and to anticipate challenges. And here I will finish, I will well, finalize this presentation with a reflection. So what is the one process you could digitize today to gain an edge tomorrow? Just think about and we can discuss another day. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye-bye.
Para você.